Today we are at Safana Panel Beaters to illustrate the filler application and sanding process in a body shop. The products shown here can be used according to customer preference. A straight line sander, body filler, Norton P80A275 sanding discs, an applicator, Norton Defect guide coat, 5mm orbit palm sander, and Norton ceramic grain strips. Ensure that you have the correct protective wear because safety comes first. Before starting, make sure that the metalwork piece has been surface conditioned with a Norton P80A275 sanding disc. See our paint stripping video for a full breakdown of these steps. It is also very important that your working area is cleaned, degreased and inspected prior to the filler application using solvent wipe as per paint manufacturer standards. Mix and apply body filler to the damaged area, taking into consideration the mixing ratio of the filler and catalyst as per the product instructions. Once the filler is dry and ready for sanding, apply Norton Defect guide coat on the filler to allow for better identification of surface imperfections. Start the sanding down process using a Norton P80A275 sanding disc. Continue until you have smoothed out your working area. Wipe away the sanding residue with a clean cloth and apply the Norton Defect guide coat a second time. Use the Norton M920 ceramic grain strips to further sand down and shape the filler, starting with a P80 grit. Before switching to a finer grit, it is very important to reapply the Defect guide coat so that we can identify any defects still in our workpiece. After completing the sanding down process, clean off any debris and inspect the repair to ensure the workpiece is ready for primer preparation.